What are some of the must-have apps for Samsung Galaxy users? Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Genie Guide, and in this guide video we will look through some of the best and must-have applications for Samsung users. I will only discuss 3 of those. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now, do you ever feel like your wallpaper is actually very boring and you don't even find much of the wallpapers on the Galaxy Store? If you go to explore more wallpapers, you have Galaxy Store by default, but as you can see, we didn't have much of the attractive wallpapers. So in order to fix this, if you like really minimal and clean wallpapers and aesthetic ones, then I would recommend you to download an application on a Samsung smartphone called Backdrops. Now, Backdrops is definitely a great app for users to actually check out some of the best wallpapers they offer. As you can see, they have exclusive designs, they have updated daily wallpapers. You also can join the community and click some hearts and add them to your favorites. This is basically one of my personal favorites wallpaper apps. The second on the list is that unfortunately you don't have this application available on all regions, but it's an application called Good Lock, and you can use this app called Good Lock in order to customize all of your features on a Samsung phone, such as how many screen and apps you want on your home screen, from your navigation menu to your navigation gestures to everything. You could basically customize it. This is not a third-party app. This is an app from Samsung company themselves. They just didn't actually include it on the default options list, but you could go ahead and then download Good Lock from the Galaxy Store in order to actually download this application. I will also leave the link down in the description box. And just like that, number 1 on the list, if you have heard about the iPhone 14 Pro series, they have basically come up with a new dynamic island which you can actually use to actually hide the notch and a fancy little animation whenever a notification pops up and you play some music on the screen. So in order to get the similar feature on a Samsung smartphone as well, there is a way to work around it. You just have to hop onto your Play Store and then type in Dynamic Island. Now, there are a bunch of apps you can use from. Now, personally, I like using this one called Dynamic Island, which has got over 1,000 downloads so far. Or you can also simply download Dynamic Island Info, and now you could basically go ahead and use this app. As you can see, it works seamlessly just like it used to work on iOS devices. And hopefully this was it for today's video. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.